Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I am going to tell you the products I used to complete this look. It's a cut crease, if you're familiar. So I'm using some new colors new colors to me from Pastel Roses UK. So let's get started. So I started with the base, of course. I use these bases to make the colors deeper and darker and last longer. So again, this is Siahi from MAC. It's a fluid line paint pot. So I just put that in the outer corners this time. And then on top of that, I took some colors from my Winter Wonderland palette. This is from what is it? What's the name of the company? Forgot the name of the company. Just that fast. CB Cosmic Brushes. Had to read it. So I used this color under the brow. I use this color in transition, and then I use this color in the crease. So like that dark. So I just kind of did a gradient. And then on the outer corner, I'm using this color from JD Glow and Peacock. In the middle, I'm using a Pastel Roses color and Fairy Tale. And in the inside there, I'm using this color by Pastel Roses and Lunar Luster. It's really pretty color in person. And underneath those Pastel Roses colors, I use this base by P. Louise in Hint of Mint. And underneath, I'm using a liner from NYX in Gypsy Blue. I'm looking for it. Like I say, I throw things around when I'm putting it on and then I lose it. But yeah, the eyeliner is called Gypsy Blue. The lashes are from a what did I do with those? Oh. They're just a set of them. I got these from TikTok. It says BTLLSSH. I don't know. So that's the lashes. And for the face, I'm using a couple of different things. I got these. I got a few of them. But I use these two. Where's the other one? Golly. That's why I be keeping y'all so long, because I be losing things. This is one of them. It's called Deep Walnut. And this is by NYX also. It's their correcting concealer sticks. Pro Fix Sticks. So I use this one to do a nose contour. I rarely contour my nose, but I wanted to try it with these things. So I use this one and another one, a lighter one, for the under eye and also in the middle to do the nose contour. And I can't seem to find the other one for some reason. I'll have to show that in another one, or I'll put the name down below because I can't seem to find it right now. So yeah, I wanted to play with contouring my nose, so that's what I used. For blush and highlight, I'm using a blush from the Femme blush. This one. I also lost my names to my La Femme blushes, so I apologize for that. I don't know what I did with those. They're around here somewhere. But then I used a blush from, this is from House of Beauty, and it's called Olive You. And I use this highlighter because it kind of reminds me of my lip, but I was going to use for my lip. So I'm using something new from MAC, one of their Dazzle Lip crayons, and this is in the color Gemstone. So it's supposed to kind of look like that. And to bring out the greenish tone, or you know, whatever tone that's in it, I'm using this Danessa Myrick Color Fix Foil. It's like a liquid product that you can, it's like a multi-use liquid product that you can use on the eyes, face, or lips. It's real pretty, iridescent. This is in the color Jewels. It says shake it. I didn't shake it before I used it, but yeah, it's real pretty. And I applied that like on top of the lip to bring out that iridescence, because the lipstick is supposed to have like a iridescence, but it doesn't show up that much on me, so I brought that to bring it out some more. For the face, for the complexion, I'm using the L'Oreal Lumi Le Glow tint, skin tint, and this is in the number 420 neutral. I've used that before. But yeah, that's the complexion, and that's pretty much what I used for this look. Anything I've forgotten, I will list below. Also, the TikTok tutorial will be below also in the description box. So I hope you like this look, and I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching and stopping by.